What is a vegan diet? A vegan diet excludes all animal products. Vegan diets are free of all animal products, including meat, eggs, and dairy. Vegans eat a wide variety of foods and can easily replace meat and dairy with plant-based alternatives, which leads to versatility to a vegan diet. What do vegans eat? Vegans can eat foods made from plants, including legumes, such as peas, lentils, and beans, nuts and seeds, pasta, rice, and loaves of bread, soy milk, coconut milk, and almond milk, tofu, seitan, which is a high-protein vegetarian food made from cooked wheat gluten, vegetable oils. What can vegans not eat? Beef, pork, lamb, and any other animal red meat, chicken, duck, any other poultry, fish, shellfish such as crabs, clams, and mussels, eggs, mayonnaise, because it contains egg yolks, milk, cream, ice cream and any other dairy products, including milk from animals, cheese and butter, bee products, honey, bee pollen, royal jelly, etc. Animal-based ingredients, which include egg white albumin, whey, casein, gelatin, shellac, carmine, cochineal, isinglass, animal-derived vitamin D3, L-cysteine, fish-derived omega-3 fatty acids. Sue Tasty makes this video. Thank you for watching.